Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add background color to a text box in Canva. The first thing you want to do is select text from the left hand menu option. Then you can select the text style that you would like to use. So let's say for example this is the text and I would like to add a background color to it. All I will need to do now is simply select effects from the top menu option. After selecting effects, you're going to see a pop-up window appear on the left-hand column. And you're going to scroll down until you see background. You're going to tap on that. And you can see that a yellow background color has now been added. If you would like to change the color of the background, you can scroll down until you see color. You'll tap on the color box. Then from there, you can scroll down and you can select one of the default colors if you want. Or you can scroll up and you can tap on add a new color. And then from there, you could add a random new color as you can see right there. And that is how you'll be able to add a background color on Canva. And if you would like to change the shape of the background color, you can also do that. Let me select this color instead. I prefer that one. All you'll need to do is select roundness right here. Then from there, you can simply pull the slider to the left or the right to see the different shapes that you can add, as you can see right there. So you can make it look more rectangular if you want by pulling it to the left, and you can make it rounder by pulling it to the right. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.